Welcome to our channel, Urbana Chateau. This is Carol and Parma, and I'm their daughter Vivian. My parents sold their house in Colorado, both set out to fully retire, and decided to purchase a French provincial house in the same town that I'm completing my master's at the University of Illinois in Champaign-Urbana. Renovating this quaint 1941 house will be the project we work on together until my parents can safely travel out of the U.S. to fulfill their dream of living and owning property in Europe. We will be renovating the foyer, staircase, and orangery, to name a few, in order to bring this home back to its former glory. Join us as we tackle projects, design interiors, and explore the beauty of this historical area in the Midwest.
So it might even be original.
No, it is not original. No, it is not original. I will guarantee you that.
That's what I was saying too.
If you were saying it's original,
No, I was saying it was not.
yeah, you go show me on Janata's blueprint where it's original, and then I'll believe you. But otherwise, see, it's even in front of the. See, it's in front of the. Didn't they cut that? Yeah, see, it's in front of the baseboard. So those we just have to kind of bust out, right? With the mallet.
Wow. It may be a little too dark of wood, but it looks so much better. It looks way better than just the blonde. There's some serious holes in this wall that will need to be patched up.
Oh,
Oh,
Why?
the wall looks so warped. That's bizarre. Maybe it's just the lighting on the feels. Did you find?
yeah, I'll put some
Grand Rapids. What is the top?
Hey.
Maple.
What's going on here?
We're doing this. You have to have a place to sit in here. Daddy says this is nasty and dirty, but
Why are you always crying? Always crying.
Where's this coming from?
I think you could probably set it just around here. This was another Goodwill find.
I'll put a blanket over since it's so nasty.
Cute though. Oh. Can you guys stop crying for like 2 seconds? It's not like warped looking. So the frame's coming off. Oh, so they really, okay, so it's 3 separate pieces, but the frame just makes it look like it's all one big piece. Wow, okay. Do you think it's going to be worth keeping to use in the garage?
Of course. It's all matured and solid.
love this makeshift coffee table for afternoon break.
Did I tell you the floor man came this morning? You know what he called this floor here? That wall. Let's confirm that that light switch also controls that outlet there, Bev.
The bookshelf has officially been removed. And it makes the room look so much brighter, so much bigger, more symmetrical.
The puppies like it.
One thing we noticed is coming from the entrance, you can kind of just actually see the staircase area, because before the shelving was coming out, it just kind of darkened that whole corner. It's just really bright. And this switch goes to this outlet here. It's nice.